Is your car's side mirror cracked or damaged? Instead of replacing the entire mirror assembly, there's a smarter way to fix it. This door mirror glass is crafted to be a direct replacement, matching the original mirror glass on specific vehicle makes and models. You get the same factory look without the hassle or expense of swapping out the whole unit. I've seen firsthand how frustrating it can be to find the right mirror glass that fits perfectly. This product is precisely cut to mirror the shape and design of your factory glass, making it almost impossible to tell there was ever any damage. For example, if you own a Ford F150 4XLT from 2004, this replacement fits like a glove. The installation is straightforward, too. Just follow the step-by-step instructions, and you'll have your mirror looking brand new in no time. It's a cost-effective fix that saves you both time and money. To make sure you get the right fit, simply enter your vehicle's make, model, and trim level into the garage tool before ordering. That way, you avoid any guesswork and get a mirror glass tailored exactly for your car. If you're tired of cracked mirrors and expensive repairs, this replacement glass is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to restore your vehicle's appearance without breaking the bank.